Today's featured pickup truck is a 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale. And I'll read off the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated 350 engine, new leather interior, power disc brakes, new wood bed. And I didn't mention the mileage or what the transmission was, but I believe it was an automatic transmission. And it sold for $11,925 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good-looking truck. The wheels may strike a nerve on some people, but wheels are always a personal matter. And you can always switch the wheels on it if you don't like them. But it had a good stance to it, sat good, had nice paint on it, and I thought it was a pretty good buy for $11,925. And this was part of the third generation of the CK line of the Chevy pickup truck. General Motors referred to it as a rounded line instead of the square bodies, which they're known by everybody else. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale with a 350 engine and new leather interior, a new wood bed, and power disc brakes. That was sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $11,925. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.